How to get $70 Shein coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in Shein coupon code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working coupon code for Shein. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one, coupon follow. After you open it, you're going to find amazing deals and offer. You can see that $20 off, 35% off, $10 off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab, just click on it. So here is the code, you can copy it, then click on redeem at Shein. You will be directed to the official website of Shein. Now you can go ahead and log into your account, make your purchase and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you will find the section of coupon code. Over there, paste the code and confirm your order. With that, you will get the discount. Likewise, you can also try out other offers, as in this page, you're going to find amazing offers and deals. Just scroll and check. The process is same. Likewise, also go through these websites, as these websites will also provide a working coupon code for Shein. That's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.